Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kwana. So today we're going to take a step back from the wigs and we're going to do a U-part wig today. So a U-part wig, you're going to be leaving out a little bit more hair than you would like an I-part wig or the V-part wigs that I have showed on my channel. But I still do like U-part wigs to some degree. Like I've said in multiple videos that I've done, I do like that natural look that, you know, these wigs do provide, because you do get to leave some of your real hair out and you can do a lot of things with them. I'm just kind of going to style this beautiful wavy U-part wig that I got from Asteria hair. Shout out to them for sending me this wig to review for y'all. I feel like this is a perfect texture for like just this up and coming spring, summer weather. Y'all know it's starting to get warm outside. And y'all, it's 80 degrees today almost. And it's supposed to be 80 degrees for the rest of this weekend, and I'm hype about it. So I really feel like textures like this, curly textures, wavy textures like this are my fave when it comes to the warmer months. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick. I always show you guys how the wig looks. It usually comes with a little strap like this, and all you're gonna do is take your scissors and cut that little strap off because you don't need it at all. You're gonna have your 3 clips at the top, your clips on the side right here, and then your clip on the back. And of course they have the little adjustable part at the bottom. That's usually how they're made. Other drawbacks that I tend to have with like U-part wigs and stuff like that is either they can be too small or too big. Usually for me, they're a little bit too big and they tend to kind of bulge in the back. So I'm really hoping that this fits really good, because stuff usually come in different like size when it comes to the measurements of your head, but U-part wigs don't. So it's kind of like a hit or miss with them sometimes. And y'all know I got a big head, so it's kind of hard. It's usually a hit or miss with me. Either wigs are too big or they're too small or they fit just right. Usually they do fit just right, but I definitely have had my share of either too big or kind of too small. So this is really soft, extremely soft. This is straight out of the box. As y'all can see, like my real natural hair is straight. It's not in its curly state, it's not wet. I did straighten my hair, so I'm gonna try my best to make it blend in with this pattern. But I might also, I don't know, I might do like some wand curls in this hair. So I just wanted to show you guys how my hair is looking. All I did was leave a little bit of leave out, of course, at the top. I'm gonna be doing a side part. So I have my little leave out right here, and then I have my little leave out on this side right here. Same thing on this side, on my right side. I have my leave out on the side in case I want to put it, you know, like behind my ear. And then of course I have this little leave out right here. And then the rest of my hair, I just kind of put in a ponytail, and then I put another hair tie at the end, because I like to kind of, you know, tuck it a little bit. This goes to show you, if you don't know how to braid, or you don't just like feel like braiding your hair, when it comes to like wearing U-part wigs and stuff like that, 9 times out of 10 I don't braid my hair underneath, just because I don't feel like it. I only wear like that wig for a day or two. It's not like a permanent style. just wanted to come on here really quickly, give y'all the rundown like I always do. I'm just gonna keep it short, sweet, give you my final thoughts about this hair company and this U-part wig. So like I said earlier, shouts out to Asteria Hair for sponsoring the hair for this video, so I can give you guys my review about this hair company, what I think, my opinion on their hair, the quality, all of that. By the way, I'm obsessed with the color of this bag. It's like a teal color and I love the color. So this is going to be a 22-inch water wave U-part wig. I love it. I love just the kind of carefree water wave. I've been dealing a lot with like kinky, curly, tight curl textures, and this is like this water wave, this loose wave is really just a breath of fresh air because it's kind of like I said, carefree. You don't have to do a lot to it. You know, curly hair, you definitely have to, you know, make sure you're putting the right products and things in order to achieve, you know, nice, soft, pretty curls. I feel like you don't have to put all the effort into this water wave wig. So I definitely love the ease of that. I don't really have anything at all negative to say about this wig. It fits good, it fits great. I was a little worried about how it's gonna fit, but it's not too big at all on my head. It's not like bunched up in the back at all. I do want to try this wig again with my hair actually wet. But y'all know my hair was straight before, and I just straightened my hair because I did film an update video for y'all on my natural hair, so I straightened my hair. And yeah, I didn't want to get my hair wet. So, like I said, it's extremely soft. I did put a little bit of my oil in it. If your hair is not curly, it's okay. If you have straighter textured hair, if your hair is, you know, just so happens to be straight at that time, it's okay. You can definitely work around this and style it better than you could probably like a really curly wig. I just love natural looks like this where I get to wear my real hair out, my real edges, all that, and I get to let my scalp breathe. I have to deal with, you know, the actual wigs and weaves and all that. Taking a break from that is definitely therapeutic sometimes because I feel like back in the day, this is what we used to wear. We used to wear like U-parts, clip-ins. I know I did. Like, this definitely takes me back to how I started wearing weave, which was clip-ins and stuff like that. Clip-ins, sew-ins, all that type of stuff. You know, the more like natural looks, and that's definitely what I still love. I like my wigs, but nothing beats that natural look that like these V-part wigs, these I-part wigs, and these U-part wigs give you. So yeah, I'm definitely loving it. Like I said, I definitely have no complaints about this company or this hair. Like I said, this is 22 inches. So I always show y'all, try to show y'all how far it comes down. And then I'm just gonna sweep it to the back. Make sure you show this video some love. Make sure you comment. Like I said, if you have anything that you want to know, or you know, comment anything on here. Positive vibes only. Just know I do have some natural hair videos coming up for y'all, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. The most important thing is that you click that bell when you do subscribe. That way you don't miss any of my future uploads. Cause why? I'm almost at 2K subscribers. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Whether it's for 5 seconds, 5 minutes, I appreciate you guys for clicking on the video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.